Hello, everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am review on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra cell phone. Okay, without waste of time, let's start the video. TechZone products. Make sure ka video ko like, share, and channel subscribe, and press the bell icon. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra cell phone, 512GB AI smartphone, unlocked Android, 200MP, 100x zoom cameras, long battery life, S Pen, US version, 2024, titanium black. Circle and search superscript 1 in a snap. What's your favorite influence wearing? Where'd they go on vacation? What's that word mean? Don't try to describe it. Use circle to search one with Google to get the answer. With S24 series, circle it on your screen and learn more. Unlock the power of convenient communication with near real-time voice translations, right through your Samsung phone app. Notes smarter, not harder. Focus on capturing your notes and spend less time perfecting them. Note Assist Superscript 3 will summarize, format, and even translate them for you. All of your notes are organized neatly so that you can find what you need. Like the video and buy now link in description and first comment pin. Bring details out of the darkness. Brighten up your night with nightography on S24 Ultra. Want a closer look? Zoom in from a distance even in low light. More wow, less work. Turn every photo into a post-worthy masterpiece. Move or remove objects. Fill in empty space. Simply snap a pic and take it from great to jaw-dropping with generative editing. Capture, share, impress. Create crystal clear content worth sharing. From bustling cityscape to a serene landscape, capture a masterpiece of detail with 200MP camera and let S24 Ultra adjust each hue and shade to reflect the world as you see it. Our most powerful Galaxy smartphone yet. Jump seamlessly between apps without the wait and see content in high quality with our fastest processor yet. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Put your best text forward. Say the right thing at the right time in no time with Chat Assist. Get real-time tone suggestions to make your writing sound more professional or conversational. Plus, make typos a thing of the past. Game and stream. Edge to edge. Take your streaming and gaming to the edge with S24 Ultra. Whether you're watching, winning, or even writing, the brighter, flatter screen gives you more room to do what you love. Right when you need it. With S Pen, you can easily make last-minute edits to work projects. Jot down your latest idea or sign important docs on your S24 Ultra. Take doing to whole new heights with the built-in S Pen.